Welcome! In this video, we'll dive into the panic and recover mechanism in Go. This essential error handling technique empowers us to gracefully handle failures and anomalies in our Go programs. We'll cover what panics and recovers are in Go, how to use defer, panic, and recover together, a live code demo to witness these concepts in action, guidelines on when and how to use panic, recover effectively. Let's begin. First, let's understand what a panic is. A panic occurs when something unexpectedly goes wrong at runtime, like an index out of bounds error or dividing by zero. A panic is akin to throwing an exception and initiates the stack unwinding process. Look at this example. This code panics because it attempts to access an index outside the bounds of the array. Now, what does recover do? Recover is a built-in function that regains control of the program when a panic occurs. It halts the unwinding and returns the value passed to the call to panic. We typically use defer statements to invoke recover. Deferred functions execute just before the surrounding function returns, so a deferred recover function runs after a panic. Now, let's dive deeper into this concept by breaking it down into practical parts. Here, we defer a function that handles panic recovery. We start by declaring an anonymous function to be executed later in the main function. Inside this function, we use recover to catch unexpected errors, panics, and display a recovery message. Next, we print a message indicating our attempt to book a flight. Afterward, we intentionally trigger a panic with panic. This abruptly stops normal execution and triggers an error. However, our deferred function catches this error gracefully. Instead of crashing the program, it displays the provided recovery message. To summarize defer and panic, recover, defer delays a function's execution until the surrounding function completes. Recover catches and handles panics, preventing program crashes. Anonymous deferred functions are commonly used for panic recovery. This example illustrates how defer and panic recover offer fundamental error handling in Go. Now, let's see how defer and panic work together. In the book flight function, we begin by deferring an anonymous function. This deferred function acts as a safety net to handle any unexpected errors or panics. Inside this deferred function, we use recover to catch any panics during code execution. If a panic occurs, we print an error message to alert us. Following the deferred function, we introduce a simulated delay using time.sleep. This adds a pause, allowing us to observe how defer and panic cooperate. Next, we intentionally induce an error with panic, simulating a situation where something goes wrong during flight booking. When panic is called, it halts program execution, but thanks to the deferred function, the panic is captured, and the program recovers from it. In the main function, we call bookflight. Despite encountering a panic, the deferred function recovers program execution. Consequently, we see the final statement printed, indicating that the program continues to run. To sum up defer and panic, defer delays function execution until the surrounding function completes. Recover captures and handles panics, ensuring the program continues rather than crashing. With defer and recover, we implement basic error handling in Go. When to use panic recover exclusively for exceptional cases that shouldn't occur during normal execution. Avoid using them for regular control flow. Also, note that the recover works only within the same Go routine. In this video, we explored panic and recover in Go, a robust mechanism for handling failures and anomalies at runtime. By utilizing defer and recover, we can regain control after a panic, allowing our programs to continue executing. Thank you for watching.